Okay, so this 1103 motor from FLYWOO comes in 2 kV, 7650 and 10,500 kV. This is probably one of the best 1103 micromotors I've flown to date. It's a really high quality motor, well constructed. I'm going to check out this motor here on this iFlight model. This is the TurboBee 120 RS along with the new HQ 65mm propeller. I'm not exactly sure if this propeller is the best combination for this motor or not. It does work pretty well together, and I decided to go for the 7,600 or 7,650 kV motor version on this setup here, so I could run 3S. Now, some of you have been had this model and were flying the 1103 iFlight motors that were 10,000 kV on 3S. Probably realized that it was overpropped with the 2.5 inch propeller, the Jump Fan 2540, and we're burning the motors out. I didn't have that problem. I guess I wasn't going totally crazy on the throttle, so all my motors were okay. So I just pulled those off anyway, and I wanted to run a true 3S setup on a lower kV on the 1103 here. This motor is definitely better than the iFlight motor that was originally on here, and this is a it's a 4-hole motor, not a 3-hole motor, so it fits this frame just fine. Of course, that's why it's on here. And yeah, this is a really good motor. It's well constructed. Obviously, it's very pretty with the gold colors and the anodized gold paint and all, but inside is a very solid motor, very smooth bearing, very good power. Let me actually pull over the 10,500 kV version. Here's the same motor, just different kV. As I said, it comes in 2 kV versions. Here's the 10,500 kV. And here's a look at the top. You can see 4 screw holes for the props. Obviously, the HQprop doesn't use any screw holes. And this is the bottom. There's a C-clip on the bottom here. Very tight air gap. And I'm not sure if these are curved magnets or not, but I think they are. It's very, very smooth, or the bearings virtually silent. There's no C-clip on the top, but I didn't have any issues with the prop when you have this press-on props pushing the shaft through on any of the motors I have here. So it does seem like it's a quality, whatever is holding that shaft in place is high quality. The motor wires are kind of thin, not really coming out on the camera. They are thin, but they're extremely long, as you can see. You're going to have to cut them off. And on the end, no plug, but they do include a plug if you want to use it, so you just have to solder that on and use some heat shrink. And of course the mounting screws are included as well. So overall, very nice package for about 10 bucks on the FLYWOO website. And just take another look at the windings. Can't really say too much about the windings. It looks like a lot of the same as the other motors. It's the bell and the magnets do seem to be better than a lot of motors I've seen out there. And quality wise, this just looks a lot better, and also in the air it feels pretty good. Let me just give you the weight of the motor here. Of course, no screws or anything. A lot of extra motor wire. And it's coming in at 4.72 grams for the motor. So go ahead and show you some more flight footage of this guy in action. Definitely, I think that switching this up to this motor on this particular build from the iFlight motor on 3S, I think that's a pretty good match for this particular prop at 7650 kV. Thought it flew really well. I like the way it felt in the air. So yeah, I would recommend this motor for sure. You can get it at the FLYWOO website. It's about 10 bucks there, and I think it's 13 bucks at Banggood. I have, as I said, I have another set here of these 10,500 kV motors here. I'm actually not going to be using these, so I'm going to be giving them away on my Instagram. And yeah, you'll have to go check out that posting. You'll see where it is. It's pretty obvious if you go to my Instagram. And yeah, I know that people complain all the time that why am I doing giveaways on YouTube over on my Instagram, and that's because I'm not going to be doing any giveaways on YouTube anymore because of all the complaining and whining. So yeah, sorry, a few of the bad apples out there have ruined it for everyone else, but that's just the way it's going to be. Yeah, just gonna do my giveaways over there. It's easier. Just follow the rules on that posting over there. I debated whether or not even mentioning this giveaway on this video or not, but I figure some of you guys that have gone to this part of the video or follow me closely or probably follow me on Instagram anyway, and just wanted to make sure that you knew about it in case you happen to miss it. So go over there, check it out, and enter the giveaway for this set. You get 4 of these 1103 10,500 kV motors. Should be good for a 2S setup on a 65mm prop like this here. Obviously don't do 3S, but should be 2S. Should be fine on something like this for this motor. Anyway guys, here's some more flight footage for you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.